Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I saw this clip of Uthandeka and Umili talking, and Uthandeka was saying something, and at the end of her sentence she was like, my love. And then Umili was like, oh, continue, my love. Wait, did you say my love? And then Uthandeka was like, no, I never said. And he's like, nah, don't say that, just say, hey, what's going on here? Like, what is really going on here? Do you know what I think? I think that Umili likes Thandeka, but Umili does not love Thandeka. And what I mean by that, I feel like it's a game. And one thing I feel like people have not picked up from Big Brother, when you're in if you are not loud and you don't have drama, you have to be in some kind of like relationship or situationship in the house to get screen time. The same thing that happened to Usweet Kuluva and Ashley. I think Thandeka, she's just being herself. But I think that Umili is playing a game here. I think for him it's just all about the game. Like, if Uthandeka is going to be evicted before Umili, I want to see his reaction. And I will tell you guys that I was right. I think that he's playing a game. He might have, some people said that he might have caught feelings. But sometimes I feel like, yeah, he caught feelings. Then I beg to, nah, man, he's just playing a game. Then to, yeah, I think he caught feelings to like, nah, man. Because in order to court a woman, you have to be sweet to her. So Umili knows that he cannot court Uthandeka by not being sweet to her, because he can see the kind of person that she is. She knows that she's not going to stand anything but sweetness, in my opinion, because I'm a woman as well and I know this. Is it love or is it a game? We shall see. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
I'd have been fat by now, love.
Anyways, yeah? Continue, my love.
Do you understand?
Do you say my love?
Yeah, but in a way, like in general, I would say.
Nah,
to
don't
friends.
say that. You
I
just
would.
say
I would never
my
call you that. You're not even on that level. You can't even communicate properly. Anyway, as I was saying, for the best.